Hey everyone, welcome to the June edition of the Beekeeper's Buzz from all of us here at Mann Lake. I know, I've been saying the same thing for the last few months. Watch for swarms, check for mites, think about splitting your hive. And yeah, I'm gonna say it again because it still matters. So here's your friendly reminder. Keep an eye out for swarm signs. If your bees are running out of room, now is the time to add a super or another hive body. A little extra space now can save you from losing your strongest colony. Test for mites early. I can't stress this enough. Catching Varroa before it gets out of hand is way easier than cleaning up an outbreak. Make sure you do your sugar roll or your alcohol wash. If you're thinking about harvesting or if you've already harvested, make sure you leave enough honey for the bees to stay strong throughout the dry season. If your colonies are booming, consider making a split. It's a great way for you to expand your apiary, or it's a great way for you to sell to nukes to other beekeepers to help support and put a little extra cash in your pocket. All right, now we're going to move on to some exciting news. Thanks to the Florida State Beekeeping Association and all those who supported them, the Save the Bees specialty plate has officially been approved. It's scheduled to go into production this October, and it's going to help raise awareness, fund research, and give beekeepers a voice on the road. Big thank you to everyone who signed up and helped make it happen. Thanks for now. Stay cool, stay safe, and as always, if you need anything, your Mann Lake team is just a call or click away. We'll see you next month here on the Beekeeper's Buzz.